The world of retinol is game-changing. When it comes to the ability to fight fine lines and maintain your skin's glow, there's no ingredient in the skincare world more praised than retinol. Obviously, retinol is a clear winner in the skincare essentials category, even though it's just made a huge comeback in our skincare products. In fact, this ingredient is often credited with being the most powerful for a true, proven, and recognized anti-aging action. But what is the best retinol you should buy? It would depend on your skin type and your skincare needs as well. In this video, we'll suggest the 5 best products for every skin concern, from acne to wrinkles. But before you rush to using a retinol, it's best to first grasp the basics. What is retinol? The terms retinol and retinoids are often used interchangeably, but in reality, they're not quite the same thing. Retinol is considered as a member of the vitamin A family, and this group of vitamin A-based ingredients is known as retinoids. To bring it back to basics, retinol is technically a weaker form of retinoid, which is why it's available over the counter, while retinoids typically require a prescription. You may have heard of Gram-active retinoid, especially if you love the ordinary skincare. Gram-active retinoid is a newer ingredient found in over-the-counter skincare with less irritation than retinol, which makes it a great choice for beginners or those who cannot tolerate stronger retinols. Retinol is an anti-aging ingredient added to topical skincare products and acts on the skin in several areas. Number 1. Improves skin texture by replacing dead skin cells with healthier, younger ones. Number 2. Brightens uneven skin tone by exfoliating at a cellular level. Number 3. Regulates oily skin, reduces acne and the appearance of enlarged pores. Number 4. Increases collagen production and decreases the collagen breakdown, which helps diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And number 5. Inhibits the production and transfer of melanin, which prevents dark age spots, sunspots, and hyperpigmentation. Overall, evens out your complexion over time. In short, it works wonders on both anti-aging prevention and skin repair. It keeps your skin healthy, even-toned, plump, and clear. This gold standard ingredient is one of the few skincare ingredients that is backed by science. Whether you're looking to get rid of acne or prevent wrinkles and fine lines, you may want to give retinol some serious consideration. This vitamin A derivative is the backbone of nearly every effective skincare routine and addresses several common skin issues, making it a well-liked ingredient in creams, serums, and more. Here are a few picks complete with their pros and cons to get your search started. If you want to treat acne, the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum is a safe place to start with your retinol journey. We're naming this the finest over-the-counter retinol serum for those who haven't yet included retinols into their acne treatment routine. This is due to its mild formulation and encapsulating technology, which together contribute to the active ingredients penetrating deeper and more effectively in the skin and increasing optimal stability. In particular, this over-the-counter retinol is ideal for treating all forms of acne, including blackheads, whiteheads, and cystic acne, speeding up cell turnover to prevent your pore blockages and reducing inflammation, 2 of the main causes of breakouts. Also, if irritation is a cause for concern, the best thing about this serum is you should have no issue with dryness, sensitivity, or flakiness at any point while using it, as this formula also features the addition of niacinamide and ceramides to restore the skin's moisture barrier. With continued use, you can really notice subtle signs of post-acne blemishes starting to fade. However, it will take more time for the more stubborn ones to follow suit, so keep in mind that this is a slow results serum rather than an instant miracle maker. If aging is your top concern, the Ordinary's Gram-active retinoid 2% in squalene is a great choice to target wrinkles and fine lines. This product is a good choice to start with if you are new to using vitamin A. Gram-active retinoid is a newer ingredient to the skincare market that is less irritating than retinol and prescription retinoids. The Ordinary's Gram-active retinoid 2% is very well tolerated on the skin as it has no fragrance and contains squalene as its first ingredient. Squalene is a plant-based compound and derived from squalene, which is part of our skin's own natural moisture. It makes sense when experts consider it as a dry skin remedy. But keep in mind, this formula is not an overnight formula and requires patience and diligence, and will take its own time to show its effect. Overall, if you're looking for a potent and affordable anti-aging skincare serum, this retinol can be incredibly helpful. The next retinol serum is Paula's Choice, the clinical 1% retinol treatment. Would be an impressive over-the-counter option for pro-youth skincare. It claims to be 100% fragrance-free and contains 1% pure retinol, making it one of the strongest over-the-counter retinol options on the market. It could be said that this formula has a really strong focus on anti-aging. This formula features a whole host of skin-soothing ingredients. It not only includes 1% retinol, which is quite a high percentage, it is also formulated with a complex of helpful peptides, which provides a super comprehensive response to the needs of aging skin, helping boost skin repair and collagen production. Add to the super soothing ingredients, this product works as well on the brightness with the derivative of vitamin C, helping with even skin tone and reducing hyperpigmentation. In the first month or so, you wouldn't notice much change in your skin. It does take a good while for your skin to get used to the product, but the results are worthwhile. If you prefer skincare without fragrance and alcohol, then you might want to try this skincare product. The Skin Better Alpha Ret Overnight Cream. This cream combines two gold standard anti-aging ingredients, alpha hydroxy acids and a retinoid. This perfect combination is proven to work very well together to create the revolutionary Alpha Ret technology that minimizes irritation and enhances satisfaction. You will get a gentle exfoliation and a boost on collagen. The addition of niacinamide to decrease inflammation in the skin and ceramides, squalene and fatty acids to layer in moisture definitely allows for it to act as a multitasking product. Also, there is no fragrance, no alcohol, no unnecessary content in this product, so it's a great option for anyone who gets irritated at the mere mention of fragrance. There aren't that many creams that are well tolerated in the sensitive skin and actually capable of producing visible results like this one. If you're finding that retinols and retinoids are too potent for your skin and you would like a natural alternative, there are a few retinol alternatives that deliver similar benefits. The most popular is bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is considered a plant-based retinol, given it can also help to improve overall skin tone and texture. We would highly recommend Paula's Choice Discoloration Serum. This is truly a legit anti-aging, pro-skin health and brightening treatment that works wonders for the skin. This serum also contains 3% tranexamic acid, which helps with hyperpigmentation and redness. If you deal with post-acne dark marks and post-acne redness, this ingredient with bakuchiol may also be a great option for you. This serum also contains 5% niacinamide. When applied to the skin, it can help with both hyperpigmentation as well as redness. When used consistently over time, this product can dramatically improve the appearance of skin's natural tone and color, plus improve the look of dark spots and discourage further discolorations. Overall, the ingredients are very gentle and not irritating. It is pretty well tolerated when applied to the skin. You can use this serum every night and it shouldn't cause a problem for you. Definitely a great choice. The downside is that retinols tend to be quite irritating. If you're about to make friends with this active ingredient, best to be reminded that starting off with a pea-sized amount of a low percentage over-the-counter formula. Start slow. Do not start using retinol every night. Your skin will probably hate you. Start by using a retinol serum 2 to 3 times a week before moving on to shorter intervals, slowly increasing the frequency to give the skin a chance to adapt. Always use retinol in the evening, apply to dry skin, and finish with moisturizer. Ensure to protect your skin with sunscreen during the day. The most important thing is that you must listen to your skin's response to make appropriate and timely adjustments. Retinol can seem like a skincare savior, however, the overall effectiveness of the skin active depends on your skin type and the product you choose. Listen to the needs of your skin before purchasing a specific retinol product. If you want to learn more about The Ordinary's retinol versus retinoids, then check out this video here.